Explain how to create a custom pipe in Angular and provide an example. In Angular, a pipe is a way to transform data before it's displayed in the UI. Pipes can be used to format dates, numbers, strings, or any other type of data. To create a custom pipe, you first need to create a new class that implements the pipe transform interface. The pipe transform interface requires you to implement a single method called transform, which takes in a value and any number of optional arguments and returns the transformed value. Here is an example of a custom pipe that formats a string to title case. In this example, we are creating a new class called title case pipe that implements the pipe transform interface. We are also using the @pipe decorator to specify the name of our pipe, which in this case is title case. The transform method takes in a value of type string and returns a string. In this case, we are transforming the input string to title case by converting it to lowercase, splitting it into an array of words, capitalizing the first letter of each word, and then joining the words back together. Once you have created your custom pipe, you can use it in your templates like any other pipe. Here is an example of how to use the title case pipe in a template. In this example, we are using the title case pipe to transform the string hello world to title case before displaying it in the h1 element. That's a basic example of how to create a custom pipe in Angular. Please like, share, and subscribe.